Cleaning and disinfecting. What's the difference? Cleaning is the physical act of removing dirt, grime, dust, stains, liquid from a surface, such as mopping, you're removing the stain off the floor. Dusting, you're removing the dust. Cleaning, you're just cleaning stains and cleaning up the area. Disinfecting is the process of actually killing a germ, virus, or bacteria with a particular chemical and letting it sit for the certain amount of dwell time that it says on the label so that it can kill the said virus, germ, or bacteria that it's made to kill. So you also need to know the proper dwell time. If you don't know what dwell time is, check below my other TikTok videos. I talk all about dwell time. It can range anywhere from 30 seconds to 30 minutes. So if you have a disinfectant and the dwell time is 10 minutes and you're spraying and wiping, you're not killing any germ, virus, or bacteria. If anything, you're just wasting the liquid.